by Rob Holley and Eric Mosley. It is a 32 count, 4-wall high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn line and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about some extra styling that you could add into this dance that you maybe have seen in some videos. And then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of a dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Country Girl Stomp. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to stomp your right foot to the right side, and you're going to hold. We're now going to weave, crossing left behind right, right side, cross left over right. Now we're going to repeat that, stomp our right foot to the right side and hold, and you're going to weave, left behind, right side, left cross. Let's try it with some counts. Stomping that right foot to the right side, it's 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a mambo to the right and the left. So you're going to take the ball of your right foot, press it to the right side, recover onto your left, and then step your right next to your left. We're now going to repeat that with the left. Press the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 2 walks back, step back, right, step back, left. And we're going to do a side rock cross, rocking our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right. You're doing that mambo to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you kick your right foot up. You'll now be facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do a 3/4 triple, which means we're heading over our right shoulder. We're going to return to the 12 o'clock wall. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6. You're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot next to your right to face 9 o'clock, and you're going to make another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12. When you do that section, you want it to mostly happen in place. So after you do that kick, that whole 3/4 turn is happening in your spot, stepping right, left, right, returning to the 12 o'clock wall. From here, you're going to step forward with your left and you're going to kick your right foot low and forward. We're now going to do a half shuffle. Over our right shoulder, you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. Step your left next to your right, and you're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed our right over our left. We're stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a left rocking chair. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, rock back with your left foot, recover forward on your right. You're now going to step forward with your left. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock, and you're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right, and that is the end of the dance. So now let's try that with some counts. We would have just ended facing 6 o'clock with your weight on your right foot. You're doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're stomping your right foot to the side. Stomp, hold, behind side, cross. Stomp, hold, behind side, cross. Right side, mambo, left side, mambo, walk back, back, right side, rock, cross. Step, quarter kick, 3/4 triple. Step, kick, half shuffle, left rocking chair. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Ready to start over facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Stomping that right foot to the right side. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now a little cheat that you can do if you lose the wall and when you're doing that 3/4 triple, all you want to remember is you're going to return to whatever wall you had started that rotation on. So when we're starting the 12 o'clock facing wall and we're doing that 3/4 triple, you're going to return to 12. Same thing when we're doing the 3 o'clock facing wall, you'll return to 3 o'clock on that triple. So whichever wall you start the dance facing, that's where that 3/4 triple will return you to. So now let's talk about some styling. You may have seen some people like to shake their booty when they do this dance. On some of the walls, it's going to say country girl twerk. It will say she puts her hands up high, started taking shots, right? So on some of those, or on all of them, or whatever ones you would like to do, when you stomp to the side, you can kind of shake your butt and then step and then do your weave, and then you would do it again, shake and weave. How you shake it is up to you. I'm not going to tell you how to shake it. Whatever you would like to do. On the parts where she says she puts her hands up high, you can put your hands up and shake your butt and then you weave. Hands up and shake your butt and then you weave. That's kind of the styling that a lot of people like to do. The song is called Country Girl Twerk, so you can have a little bit of fun with that section. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your stomp to the right. Stomp, hold, behind, side, cross. Stomp, hold, behind, side, cross. Side mambo, walk back, back, side rock, cross. Step, quarter kick, 3/4 triple. Step, kick, half shuffle. Rocking chair. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, stomp, side 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Stomp, hold, behind, side, cross. Stomp, hold, behind, side, cross. Right side mambo, left side mambo. Walk back, back, side rock, cross. Step, quarter kick, 3/4 triple. Step, kick, half shuffle. Rocking chair. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, stomp to the side. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. The last wall will end facing 6 o'clock. So when you're doing it, it ends on that stomp to the side and hold, and it ends with country girl twerk. So you can just kind of shake at that point. I like to look over my shoulder as I do it to kind of end it to make it a little sassy, but there's no ending listed, so you can just have a lot of fun. I hope this helps you learn country girl twerk. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.